That's exactly why I got this window camera, because you can put this on the inside of your window instead of the outside. It's not as noticeable and it's much harder for people to destroy it. And what really sold me on this window camera is the night vision that it has. Check this out. A lot of people never believe me, but it's actually pitch black outside right now. Look at the quality of this night vision. It seriously looks like it's daylight outside. The camera is high quality, it has 2K, and you can even like zoom in and zoom out. You can also take pictures, record video, and all kinds of other stuff inside of the app that you get. And the insane thing is this window camera only costs 38 bucks, plus they have free shipping on it right now. The bad thing though is last time I checked, they were getting close to being sold out. So if you want to get this before they're all gone, you just got to hit the orange cart down below.